आर्मी चीफ जनरल सैयद आसिम मुनीर का ओवरसीज पाकिस्तानी कन्वेंशन से पुरजोश और वलवला अंगेज खिताब में कहना था कि मुट्ठी भर दहशतगर्द पाकिस्तान को रोशन मुस्तकबिल की जानिब बढ़ने से नहीं रोक सकते। दहशतगर्दों की 10 नस्लें भी बलूचिस्तान और पाकिस्तान का कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकती। आर्मी चीफ ने अपने खिताब में कहा, ब्रेन ड्रेन का बयानिया बनाने वाले ये जान लें, ये ब्रेन ड्रेन नहीं बल्कि ब्रेन गेन है।
Really humbled to see these sentiments that you have shown towards the armed forces, and I am extremely grateful to each one of you for these sentiments and for these emotions that you have for us. Our sentiments and emotions for you, they're even stronger. You're not only the ambassadors of Pakistan, you're of course the warriors, the soldiers of Pakistan. हमारे beloved जो overseas हैं, because आप एक different तहजीब में रहते हैं. Don't you ever forget that you belong to a superior ideology, a superior culture. कहाँ जाता है कि जी, there's a brain drain which is taking place in Pakistan. Oh come on, is it this the brain drain? Is it not the brain gain which has taken place? That we have sent such fantastic ambassadors abroad that you are representing our country in every nook and corner of the world. Is this the brain drain? And if this is the brain drain, then we would like to continue with this brain drain for an indefinite period of time. Terrorism which is taking place in the country, and the people say, and the people they are mostly propagating, that with this kind of security situation there won't be any investment coming to Pakistan. Well, to them, they must hear me very clearly now. You think terrorists, they can take away the destiny of the country from us? If this great Pakistani nation and the Pakistani armed forces, if 1.3 million Indian army with all their wherewithal, if they cannot intimidate us and they cannot coerce us, these terrorists can subdue the armed forces of Pakistan. बलूचिस्तान जो है, जो कि पाकिस्तान की डेस्टिनी है, ठीक है, जो कि पाकिस्तान के माथे का झूमर है, तुम 1500 बंदे कहोगे कि जी हम इसको ले जाएंगे, तुम्हारी अगली 10 नस्लें भी नहीं लेके जा सकती. Inshallah, you will see that we will beat the hell of these terrorists very soon. मुल्क के सिक्योरिटी के इदारों को, those that who are sacrificing their lives on daily basis for your safety and security and for the well-being and defense of the country, जो उनको belittle करता है, he is actually friend of enemy and he is enemy of Pakistan. Our stance, government stance on Kashmir is absolutely clear. It was our jugular vein, it is our jugular vein. We will not forget it. And we will not leave our Kashmiri brethren in their heroic struggle, what they are waging against the Indian occupation. To the Muslims of the Gaza also, every kind of support that has been extended, and it is Pakistan, in the strongest possible words have been used by Pakistan for the Muslims of the Gaza and Palestine. इकबाल ने भी कहा था ना, अपनी मिल्लत पर कियास अक़वाम मग़रिब से न कर, खास है तरकीब में कौम रसूल हाशमी.